Okay, family, so check it out. This is the current faucet that's in here right now. And it is dripping because the valve is bad. And this is an old Delta that's in here right now. So I'm going to replace it with this new Peerless right here. Both of them are gold, trying to keep the same standard here as far as gold is concerned. So a few steps that you have to do when you're doing a project like this. First thing you want to do is you want to turn off the water. You see that there? You want to turn it clockwise to the right. The left one was leaking worse, so it's already turned off. So you want to turn those clockwise. After you do that, you want to go up here. Those are your nuts right here for your faucet supply line. So since you turned the water off, you want to unscrew these right here and take them off to be able to release this. This is the faucet supply line nut. This right here actually holds the faucet to the sink. So you have to remove both of these in order to get this faucet up and out. There is something that will help you along the way to remove those nuts. Faucet removal tool right here. This thing works great right here. So has an extender on it. So I'm trying to work. I didn't prepare to do this video today. I just out the blue said, hey, I'm gonna show YouTube what I'm doing today and maybe to help them with one of their projects. You see that? And then you put a ratchet on there. So, guys, this makes your job, I can't tell you how much easier this makes this job. All right, so I'm going to remove that. I already showed you what I had to remove. I'm going to remove it right quick, and I'll be right back with you. All right, family, as you can see, the new faucet has been installed, and this is the old one. And that's the new one. Now what I'm going to do, I didn't want to have to do this, so I'm going to replace the drain. Really didn't want to. I wanted this to be a quick faucet repair, but faucet replacement, but that drain just doesn't match. Nice new shiny faucet with a dull drain. Okay, family, and as you can see, faucet and the drain has been replaced. See, this was the old drain here where I had to remove the nut from the bottom and then screw out the drain itself. And then I put in the new one with the pop-up assembly. Now, if you want to see this step-by-step video, you know, of me doing these step-by-step, just let me know. Put a comment and I can do the step-by-step. That's not a problem. I just want to show this quick video of a before and after and what was necessary to change it. All right, family. Have a blessed day.